Is your gluten-free diet really healthy? You must have recently switched onto a gluten-free diet thinking that it's a new fancy diet. Actually, gluten is a protein. This protein is found in wheat, in barley, and sometimes in rye breads. Now, this gluten, when consumed by a person who has celiac disease or who is gluten sensitive, may find symptoms. However, if you have switched to a gluten-free diet, remember that it may not always be healthy because the gluten-free diet may be laden with a lot of other nutrients like sodium, extra saturated fats, and also too much of sugars. Now, these foods when consumed may not be a real health claim that what you are actually eating for. So, gluten-free is not a health claim, it is an ingredient claim. Read your labels well before switching to a gluten-free diet.